In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete photos from Google Drive. If you have pictures saved in Google Drive that you no longer need, removing them is a quick and simple process. This can help you keep your storage organized, reduce clutter, and make it easier to find the files you actually want to keep. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it in a clear, easy way. To begin, open Google Drive and go to your Google Drive homepage. This is the main screen where you can view your files, folders, and everything stored in your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before continuing, especially if you use more than one account. That way, you'll be deleting the photo from the right drive. Once you're on the Google Drive home screen, look over to the left-hand column and click on My Drive. This section contains the files and folders that are stored directly in your drive. If the photo you want to remove is located there, you'll be able to find it from this area. You may want to switch between grid view and list view if that makes it easier to spot the image you're looking for. After you find the photo you want to delete, move your cursor to that file and click on the three dots next to it. These three dots open the More Options menu for that file. This menu gives you access to several actions you can perform, including organizing, sharing, downloading, or deleting the file. Be sure you've selected the correct photo before moving to the next step, especially if you have several similar images. From the menu that appears, click on Move to Bin. As soon as you do that, the photo will be removed from My Drive and placed in your bin. This means it's no longer sitting in your main drive view, but it hasn't necessarily been erased permanently right away. If you deleted the wrong photo by mistake, you may still be able to recover it from the bin before it is permanently removed, according to Google Drive's retention policy. And that's it. That's how to delete photos from Google Drive. It's a fast process once you know where to click, and it's a useful habit if you want to keep your drive clean and organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.